Every single day in the United States alone, millions of hands reach for the same small, colorful candy. Not because it's rare, not because it's expensive, but because it does something almost no other candy in the world can do. Skittles don't melt softly, they don't break cleanly, they don't even change shape for different flavors. Instead, they attack your senses all at once. Crunch, burst, flavor. And here's the part most people never realize. Skittles are not born colorful. Inside the factories where these candies are made, Skittles begin their life as plain white centers, completely identical. No flavor, no color, no personality. Yet somehow, just hours later, those same white cores are transformed into a perfectly balanced rainbow, engineered to deliver fruit flavor with mathematical precision. This is not luck. This is not tradition. This is industrial flavor science. Every Skittle you've ever eaten has passed through high-speed rotating drums, micron-thin sugar shells, heat-controlled flavor baths, and machines that produce hundreds of thousands of candies per hour, all so that when you open that bag, every red tastes red, every green tastes green, and every handful feels chaotic, but somehow perfectly controlled. So today, we're going deep inside the world of Skittles, from the chemistry of flavor oils to the machines that paint candy at industrial scale, to the reason color comes last, not first. This is the story of how a simple candy became one of America's most engineered snacks. This is how Skittles are made. Skittles are small, colorful, fruit-flavored candies, but behind their playful appearance lies a massive industrial operation. Produced in high-capacity confectionery factories, Skittles are manufactured in millions of units every single day. These facilities operate around the clock, using automated systems, precision controls, and strict food safety standards to ensure consistency in taste, color, texture, and shape. What looks like a simple candy is actually the result of a carefully engineered, multi-stage manufacturing process designed for speed, accuracy, and scale. The Skittles manufacturing process begins with raw material handling. The primary ingredients include refined sugar, corn syrup, water, food-grade acids, natural and artificial flavor compounds, and approved food colorings. Bulk sugar arrives in sealed tanker trucks or large sacks and is transferred into stainless steel silos. Corn syrup is pumped into temperature-controlled storage tanks. Every ingredient is sampled, tested, and approved before entering production to ensure it meets strict quality and safety specifications. Once approved, the ingredients are fed into large industrial cooking vessels. Sugar, corn syrup, and water are heated together to form a concentrated candy syrup. The mixture is cooked at temperatures typically ranging between 120 degrees Celsius and 130 degrees Celsius, allowing excess moisture to evaporate and increasing syrup density. This stage is critical, as the final texture of the Skittles candy depends on precise temperature control and cooking time. Automated sensors continuously monitor viscosity, temperature, and flow rate. After cooking, the hot syrup is transferred to mixing tanks, where flavorings and colorings are added. Each Skittles flavor, such as strawberry, lemon, green apple, grape, or orange, is prepared in separate batches to prevent cross-contamination. High-precision dosing systems inject exact quantities of flavor compounds and food colorings. This ensures that every Skittles candy delivers the same intensity of flavor and the same vibrant color, batch after batch. The flavored syrup is then sent to depositing machines. These machines release small, controlled droplets of the candy mass onto moving conveyor belts or forming trays. Each droplet forms the soft inner core of a Skittles candy. The depositing process operates at extremely high speed, producing thousands of uniform candy centers per minute. Size and weight sensors continuously check each piece to maintain tight dimensional tolerances. Once formed, the candy centers pass through cooling tunnels. Here, controlled airflow and temperature allow the centers to gradually firm up while retaining their signature chewy texture. Cooling must be slow and even. Rapid cooling could cause cracks or internal stress. By the end of this stage, the Skittles centers are stable enough to move into the shell building process without deforming. The cooled candy centers are transferred into large, rotating coating drums known as panning drums. Inside these drums, thin layers of sugar syrup are sprayed over the moving candies. Between each application, warm air dries the surface. This process is repeated many times, gradually building the hard outer shell around the chewy core. The rotation speed, syrup concentration, and drying temperature are precisely controlled to achieve uniform shell thickness. As shell layers accumulate, additional color coatings are applied to intensify the Skittles' bright appearance. Optical sensors monitor color consistency in real time. The rotation and airflow inside the drums smooth out surface imperfections, creating a near-perfect spherical shape. This stage gives Skittles their signature bold colors that match strict visual standards set by the brand. To achieve their iconic glossy finish, Skittles are polished in separate drums. A small amount of food-grade polishing agent, often carnauba wax, is applied while the candies rotate slowly. Gentle heat helps the wax spread evenly across the surface. The result is a smooth, shiny shell that enhances visual appeal and improves handling during packaging. Before packaging, Skittles pass through advanced quality inspection systems. High-speed cameras scan each candy for color defects, cracks, or shape irregularities. Any off-spec pieces are automatically removed using air jets. Random samples are also tested in quality labs for texture, flavor accuracy, and shell integrity. Only candies that meet all specifications move forward. Approved Skittles are sent to automated packaging lines. Multi-head weighing systems measure precise portions before filling branded Skittles bags. The bags are sealed using heat sealing technology to protect freshness. Batch codes and production dates are printed on each pack for traceability. The packaged candies are then grouped into cartons for transport. In the final stage, cartons are stacked onto pallets by robotic arms. The pallets are wrapped for stability and moved into warehouses or directly onto distribution trucks. From here, Skittles are shipped to retailers across the country and around the world. After a long, carefully controlled journey through the factory, the colorful candies are ready to reach consumers and deliver the familiar experience of tasting the rainbow.